Oh, not again. How often you had to visit a mechanic for TP sensor? Hi, my name is Nazim. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can understand the basic problems arising due to T-sensor. When your TPS isn't working right, your car might show signs like RPM not exceeding 3K, erratic idling, poor acceleration, jerking during drives, gear shifting issues, engine misfire. These problems happen because a faulty TPS sends the wrong signals to the engine's control unit, stopping the throttle valve from opening as it should. This messes up your acceleration and affects overall engine performance. If you're dealing with these symptoms, then don't delay. Fixing a faulty TPS can boost your engine's performance and prolong its life. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit like and subscribe for more useful car maintenance tips. See you next time.